I am Rupali from Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Moga. Once again, I welcome you all in my show Rupali and Routine. I feel very delighted to inform all the viewers that our school has appreciated the hard work of intelligent students who got first, second and third position in their section. Also, the students who have performed the activities in English language during COVID-19 have been appreciated by our principal sir. So, this video is dedicated to all the hardworking lecturers who work behind the screen and help the students to shine like a star. So, I am going to start a long list of appreciation awards. Let's start with commerce section. Simran has got first position with 95.7%. Second position is taken by Lavneet with 95.55%. On third position we have Mandeep with 94.22%. Let's move to the next section, that is non-medical. Supreet Kaur and Jasprit Kaur has got first position with 95%. Second position is taken by Manjot and Rohaniyat with 94.4%. On third position we have Mandeep Kaur with 94%. Let's move to the next section, that is medical. Manisha has got first position with 89.7%. Second position is taken by Ashima with 87.5%. On the third position we have Husanpreet with 86.6%. In humanities group we have three sections in our school. In first section of humanities group, Kanchan has got first position with 86%. Second position is taken by Mansi with 84%. On the third position we have Manisha with 83%. Let's move to the second section of humanities group. Ravya has got first position with 91%. Second position is taken by Anjali with 90.44%. On the third position we have Prabjot Kaur with 89.22%. Let's move to the third section of humanities group. Navjot has got first position with 88.4%. Second position is taken by Aarti Rana with 88%. On the third position we have Sonali with 86.2%. Let's move to the fourth section of humanities group. Ramandeep has got first position with 92%. Second position is taken by Nisha with 89.7%. On the third position we have Rubinder with 84.2%. Let's move to the vocational group. Now in vocational group, Ramanpreet has got first position with 90.44%. Second position is taken by Nisha with 86%. On the third position we have Jasprit with 85%. Now I am going to share overall result of our school. Appeared students 335 and passed students 335. It means we have 100% result. 4 students have got above 95%. 29 students have got above 90%. And 96 students have got above 80%. Now move to the extra activities. 12 students of our school have participated in English activities with the help of Poonam ma'am, and they all are honoured by Principal Sir. Prabjot Kaur and Kiran have performed an activity related to COVID-19 precautions and conversation between customer and shopkeeper. Sakshi has performed 2 activities related to courage and confidence. Manpreet Kaur of Plus 2 Medical had made a speech on the topic female foeticide. Jasprit from Plus 2 class had performed an activity related to cooking. Shruti had given her message to the society and thanked the CM Sir Captain Amrinder Singh Ji. Manitaj had spoken about optimism and COVID-19. Amandeep Kaur from Plus 2 Non-Medical had given her interview to the channel. Nikita from Plus 2 Commerce had given her views on girl education. Shalu from 10th C had talked about online teaching. Sahajpreet from 10th A had done poem recitation on COVID-19. And in the last, I want to share my happiness with all my viewers that I have also been rewarded for running this show Rupali and Routine. Our teacher Poonam ma'am, who was the part of every activity, had been rewarded as well. So we would like to thank our respective principal sir and our staff members for making our day special by these awards. And even I would like to thank Chanchal Didi and Poonam ma'am who have helped me to collect all the information and material. Thank you. Have a great day.